quick oil and brake. Guys, today I'm replacing a license plate, light bulb. If you see, this is a Honda Accord 2014. You see the arrow remove this side, you have to apply pressure on this side and then pull. Okay, this is getting stuck from this side. Let me remove this one. I'm using my one hand. Let's see it's work with the screwdriver. Okay. Alright. Remove very gently. We don't want to break this one. Okay. Alright, so I removed this one. Now we have to remove from here the tab to remove this one, and now we have to open the sides of the clip to replace the light bulb. Okay, we're gonna apply little force over here and okay, this side. Okay, one side is fine. Then remove this one. Little bit shake. Sometimes it gets stuck. So I'm gonna show you the other trick. Okay, you can use this pick and put and apply on this side, on the back side of the light bulb, and try to pull little by little from this side. Okay, almost. Okay, finally come out. So now we're gonna use this one and press, then we're gonna install this one back. Okay. One side. Almost done. Okay, now it's done. Now we're gonna install. Okay, I connect with the connector. Now we have to do the reverse pattern. Okay. is all right. Nice. Flash properly seated, and now we're gonna check it's working properly or not. That's great. Now it's working. I hope this video will help, and if you like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, take care.